If you want to underline text in Framer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps to add an underline to your text layer and then how to fine-tune the underline so it looks exactly the way you want. Whether you're designing a landing page, a portfolio, or a client project, this is a small text styling change that can make a big difference. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Framer tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Framer project and go to the canvas where your text is placed. You'll want to click the text layer that you want to edit. This is important because the underline setting is applied to the specific text element you select. Once the text layer is active, look over to the right-hand sidebar. In the text section, you'll see a plus icon. Click that plus icon to open additional text styling options. After that, look for the decoration option in the drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and choose decoration. This is the setting that controls text decoration styles like underline. As soon as you select underline, you'll notice the text on your canvas becomes underlined immediately. It's a quick visual change, so you can confirm right away that you're editing the right element. Now, if you want more control over how the underline looks, stay in the right side panel. From there, you can adjust the underline styling options such as color, size, thickness, and other available features depending on your text settings. This is really helpful if you want the underline to match your brand colors or if you want a subtle underline instead of a bold one. You can experiment with the settings until the underline fits your design perfectly. If you're working on a button label, a heading, or any emphasized piece of text, using underline in Framer can help draw attention without changing the actual text content. And because this is all done inside the text settings, you don't need any custom code or extra plugins. It's fast, clean, and beginner-friendly. So to recap, click your text layer, open the text section in the sidebar, hit the plus icon, choose decoration from the drop-down, and then adjust the underline styling if needed. That's all it takes to underline text in Framer. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy Framer walkthroughs, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.